number 3. Candidate number 3, good luck.
Ganda, may didi na.
Judges, audience, this is a question. Sa iyong pananaw, paano makatutulong ang LGBTQIA+ community sa pagpapaunlad ng politika sa bansa? Again, sa iyong pananaw, paano makatutulong ang LGBTQIA+ community sa pagpapaunlad ng politika sa bansa?
I just make it quick. For me, there's a lot of reason to have a betterment society. But today, I just want to say 3 things. Inclusive politics, aware politics, and also a communicator leader. Because we all know that if we have an inclusive, then we are not just referring for the identities, sexual orientation, LGBTQIA+ community, but also all forms of differences of people. Aware, we should aware for what we are doing, especially if you are a leader. If you're a leader, you have to know what the people can do and what people are. And I think the lastly is you have to be a good communicator if you want to be a leader. Because a good communicator who knows to how when to speak and when to listen, and I think that 3 things should have the qualities to be a good leader. And if we choose the right leader, then we can have a betterment of our society. Thank you so much.